Oh, they added caddy cornerback. I didn't know. Oh, God, freaking pistol. Bro, I used to love this place. This is my favorite spot to play in this season. Bro, this is actually, I'm getting nostalgia of playing back when I made cringy TikTok videos.
Okay.
This is actually giving me nostalgia. Like, I remember landing here every time. And I still have those videos on TikTok. Because, like...
Hello there.
It's got an epic scar. Because... I couldn't delete it because I lost my account for those accounts. So they're still up. And if you could find them, I'd be very embarrassed.
You know the Muffin Man.
Uh-oh. It's the kitty cat.
Is this serious?
Yo. What does it even do?
2 hours later.
I dropped it.
Need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
My fat juicy ass.
I need it!
Oh yeah. Oh, I miss this
Come on, man. Turn that frown upside down.
season so much. Why is y'all? Ooh, that was too close. That was way too close.
Are you serious, my brother?
Bro, please, bro. Why are you do?
I'm gonna die.
Ace, I'm actually getting off because of you.
The next day.
Hey, did you get my gift?
No. Supposed to say. You're lagging. Reset your game.
Oh shoot. Yeah, Ace, you're lagging. Reset your game.
Okay. No spy accident.
No, I didn't. This is actually all your fault, Ace. Why'd you make your name Kitty Lover? Because this dude's name is
Because I love cats.
Mr. Kitty.
I love cats.
But this dude's name is Mr. Kitty Cat.
We. Ow.
I'm actually kind of mad though because, bro, this dude's name is Mr. Kitty Cat, so I just did to be you, bro.
Who the fuck even is that guy?
I don't know. It did just randomly get Juice WRLD, bro. People were like, oh my gosh, I just got Juice WRLD, bro. God dang it.
I could have had Juice WRLD.
Yes.
Now
So I hate Mr. Kitty Cat.
I'm so sad because even if I could refund it, I already want to refund ticket on Ice Spice.
Ice Spice.
So that's
Spice, what happened? Ice Spice is pretty hot.
he just appears on my freaking thing.
What if he was like a YouTuber and because of that he gets you $1 million?
What if he was like a YouTuber and because of that he gets you $1 million?
Hey, send me out. Oh my god, I'm just a girl.
Hold on. Rollabudge, you better not say nothing, girl. Shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry, Santa.
Second, Roland.
Shut up! You're not funny. Why are you in the building?
Two of you rolling that trick is about to get sniped by me. Help me! Help
You Elijah,
me!
shut the fuck up.
Are you serious?
Can you do the "Are you serious" with that voice again?
Are you serious?
Yeah, just like that.
Scream for me!
Yeah.
I'm getting off.
No. It's a joke. It's just a joke.
Holy shit, I know where I made that. I was at fucking 1 HP earlier. What are you retarded? Hold on. You act like the drone and I act like the police. I won't kill you.
You found a father.
Dumbass. Family time is gonna go jumping. Travos, you kind of sound like a turkey a little bit today. Are you a turkey, perhaps, Travos? Kitty Lover 9000 is my girlfriend. Yeah?
More. I'm back, but you know what would really change my mood? Some wild berry skills, except the freaking cherry skills. I hate cherry.
Travos, your game is lagging. I think you gotta refresh it. Your game is lagging. I think you should refresh it, Travos.
What is this? What the fuck?
That's all my V-Bucks, by the
You
way.
gave me the. What? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. It's very nice.
Alright, one more battle.
You could give me the other one though. I'm not really a huge fan of this one.
My character I thought it would be funny. Did you bite on my fucking screen protector? Because I took it off because too many air bubbles. And I fucking broke it.
I don't care. It's not my fault.
You want to suck on my dick? You like little girl, Travos?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Okay. I don't know if I want to play with you anymore then.
That's bullshit. Let me fucking it up. Pick it up. Ace, Travos shot your build.
Don't kill him. That skin's unreleased.
Shake down.
Wait, don't kill him. That skin's unreleased.
Fuck, dumbass.
No, actually, that skin's unreleased.
Are you fucking dumb?
Ace, if you lick my TV, I'll give you the shotgun. Not in the game, in real life.
Weird. Buddy, you're weird.
If you don't give me the shotgun, I'm getting off. I'm never playing with you again.
Shit, okay, I'll give you the shotgun. Not you, Travos. I don't give a shit. Give me your shotgun now. Thank you. The pretty girl got off.
Stupid.
Okay, I'm getting off.
Why? Why? They shot me to death.
Not a good idea.
Yeah, bomb the hell out of them. Fucking. What?
Do you want to try that kill? Yeah, you're supposed
It
to
can
use
do
this for-
that?
Yeah, this is. Run away, run away.
Hit me for 13 damage. I am 5 HP. 200!